Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to show you how to connect your ZBlaze Hybrid smartwatch with Android and the app that is required for this watch. So as you can see, we already downloaded the app. You can scan the QR code that is in the user manual, as you can see right here, or just go ahead in the Play Store and search the name of the app that is called Comfit. Let's go ahead and open the app, see what we got from this app. As you can see, in the first step we have some sport planning or instructions for sport planning, health measuring, sleep, sport mode, and we have to open a user. If you have one, you can open right here, or you can register in this port, or you can log in with these accounts. As you can see in the bottom here, we have what is called a visitor's login. I'm going to log in with this one. I just want to show you how it works, and if I want to use it in the future, I will open an account. As you can see now, you have to fill up your information, and your name doesn't matter. You can put whatever name you want. You have to put your gender, age, height and weight carefully, so you get most accuracy result. You can see here you can put a picture, nickname. I'm going to change it to the New Tech. New. And these information, I'm going to let them how they are, but please, if you are using for yourself, fill up these information correctly. We have to allow Comfit app to our phone calls, messages, location, files and all these. And now we have here the app ready to be used. As you can see in the first page, we have steps and sleep data. All the statistic for steps and sleep are here in the first page, and you can see we have 4 pages. We have status, sports, measure and mine. As you can see, the mine is the last page, so let's go here to the mine. We have Comfit devices. Let's go to the Comfit devices. As you can see, is searching for devices to bind. As you can see, it found our watch. Press it, confirm, and now it says it's connecting and connected. You can see right here. Now that it's connected, we opened a page just for the watch. Let's get back to the first page and we go through one by one. As you can see in the first page, we have here steps and sleep measurements or data. As you can see, we have the goal right here. It says aim. The goal is 800,000. If you press, you have your day, week, monthly or year statistic, average daily steps, average daily duration, average daily calories and average daily mileage. Here in the bottom you have the same data. Let's get back. We have the duration, calories and distance for today's activities. In the corner we have the weather, and in the sleep, again the same thing. We have the time and minutes, or hours and minutes of sleep that we did. Also we have deep sleep, light sleep, and awake time. If we go to sleep, again we have day, week, month, or year statistic that we can see here in the app. Let's go to the second page, that is sports. We have walking, treadmill, running, and riding. As you can see, we have the statistic for 4 of these sports. Now we are at walking. We have the target type. As you can see, you can put a target right here, and you have a button to press start to activate your sport mode. Same with treadmill, running, and riding. Let's go now to the third page that we have measure. As you can see, we have sleep, heart rate, and blood pressure. We have the statistic for each individual of these options. As you can see, we have heart rate here, blood pressure, and all of these are with statistic, and we have the buttons to start these options in the watch. Let's go to the last one, or the fourth one. As you can see, we have our name that we put before. You can put a picture. In this case, we don't have any of that yet. We have ComFit devices that we connected before. In the first options, we have the percentage of battery, disconnected reminder, looking for device, remote control, do not disturb, sedentary reminder, drink reminder, notice reminder, alarm clock settings, heart rate settings, wake up by lifting hand, screen, lock screen, 5-way version, 5-way recovery settings, and unbind in the end. For this watch I expected less, but honestly it surprised me how many options we have here in this app, just by some simple watch that it is the Z-Blaze Hybrid, and that's pretty impressive. Next we have the step goal. As we saw in the beginning, we can change that as many as we want. We have feedback, abnormal reporting, help, settings in the end. So you can see this app that is called ComFit. It's really good for using. It's really simple, and you can use it every day. I think for me it will work every day to use this app. The watch, the hybrid smartwatch, is really good looking. Not so many options as we used to see on other smartwatches, but honestly it surprised me with his performance. So guys, this was all for today's video. Comment down below what do you think about the new Z-Blaze Hybrid smartwatch. If you want to see more with this watch, or what do you want to see more, comment down below, and we will see the comments. We'll try to discuss about this smartwatch. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.